How to revert Windows 11 update issue. Let's get started. If you recently installed the latest Windows 11 update and started noticing weird SSS slowdowns, data corruption, or even failures, watch this video till the end to fix it. I was actually suffering from this exact issue myself, and after hours of testing, the only thing that fixed it was reverting the update. So in this video, I will show you step by step how to uninstall the latest update and get your SSD back to normal. This update was supposed to bring stability fixes, but for many users, especially those with NVMe SSDs, it's causing serious problems. So what you need to do is launch Settings, navigate to the option Windows Update. Now head over to the option Update History, scroll down and click on the option Uninstall Updates. Now here you'll need to check if KB5063878 is listed. Once you find it over here, you'll need to click on the option Uninstall. Wait for the rollback process to complete. Your system will restart. After this, your SSD will instantly stop throwing corruption warnings and performance will go back to normal. To prevent Windows from reinstalling it automatically, you can head back. Now head over to the option Windows Update. Then click on the option Pause Updates for a couple of weeks until Microsoft releases a proper fix. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.